all of you. I Sanjay Patel from Useful Classes. In this video, I want to speak something at the side of English. We know, my dears, English is very important, and today a great number of persons are learning up English. Do you know why? You know, English is spoken all over the world, and today is in every area, English is demanding. That's why you must learn how to speak English. You know, English as speaking is very good. English as speaking is very necessary each and every life. Suppose today you are a student position, then you must learn how to speak English, because without speaking English your life will be useless. That's why I can suggestion to everyone, if you learn how to speak English and you have to do such a works, due to that your English will be, your communication will be good. And you perhaps don't know, due to your communication, due to your English speaking communication, your personality will be developed, your communication will be developed, and you will be respected in your society. That's why I suggestion to everyone, English as spoken is very important, English as speaking is very important, and you should learn how to speak English. You know, my dears, that in your society, in your area, a great number of person who has knowledge of, who have knowledge of grammars, but you think it means they are unable to speak English. Their value is not increasing, their communication is not increasing. Look that person who has the grammatical, it means grammar knowledge, and as well as speaking, their personality will be developed. So you as students, then if you want to how to speak English, then first of all you should do such a work. By dint of that, your English as speaking will be good. What you have to do? That you have to remember 10 words daily, and as well as you have to commands, you have to call up, you have to think up that position, grammatical, it means tense. Due to tense, and as well as due to remember 10, it means words, by dint of that your English will be good. And I say one suggestion to everyone, if you want to speak English, then first of all you have to, it means declare your fear. It means you have to neglect your fear within you. What will people say about me? What will people say about me? Because it is a very dangerous disease. What will people say about me? Can I speak English or not? Then what I have if I am able to speak English? Then if you want to speak English, then first of all you have to join a near coaching, that is here as spoken English, and you have to regular go, and not only go but also you have to practice at your home. Approximate, I don't say, you have to call up, you have to practice 1 hour, 2 hours, it was not half hours. You have to practice only 5 or 10 minutes at your home, and day by day your English will be improved, and one time you will come, you are able to speak English. And I think one matter, that if you want that what I can speak, I have not knowledge of English, then I say one matter, that no one has, it means firstly, it means English as speaking knowledge. It means first of all, if anyone born in this world, no one has knowledge. It means just like no one know ABC, as the example. It means also I don't know that I can speak English, that it means completely when I practice regular, then it speaks up slowly my English as speaking will be improved, and today I am speaking in front of you. So also guys, if you want to speak English, then you have to remember 10 words regular. Whatever may happen, you have to remember 10 words. Not, I don't say you have to remember 100 words, 10, 50 words, it means 16 words. In 1 day you have to remember only 10 words. And as well as I think you have to call up the rules of tense, because by dint of tense and words you can write any sentences and you can translate in English, and you have to speak the sentences, and day by day due to the sentences your English will be good. And we know today English demand is very high, and if you want to something in your life, then you must learn how to speak English, and you have a speaking knowledge, you can do very good, and you can do everything in your society, in your country. So my dears, if you learn how to speak English, then you have to join any coaching center. What it means, you don't know, if I have to joining by dint of YouTube, you may learn how to speak English, but you have to practice at your home. Without practice it is impossible you can do something. Let us know, my dears, if you know that about my channels, that if you want to speak English about my channel, that's name is Useful Classes. On Useful Classes, I've told you already, it means too much structure at the side of English spoken, and as well as I told you, that means I teach you English grammars. If you know that my English speaking will be, it means strong, I am able to speak English, I can do something in English speaking, then you have to subscribe Useful Classes. And due to Useful Classes, it means I cannot perfectly give you that in 10 or 20 minutes, but it speaks up, I give you hints, that's why by dint of that hints, you may speak English. That's all, we will see a video.